Hey Hamilton, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber, serving you since 2006. Your reliable source for all plumbing and drain services in Hamilton. Want fast, friendly, and reliable service in Hamilton for things like clogged drains, clogged toilets, hot water tank replacements, or sump pump installations? Then call John the Plumber. All of our plumbers are licensed, insured, and most importantly, friendly. All of our work is backed by our industry-leading 2-year warranty. From drain clean, sump pump installations, to hose bib replacements. It's all covered by our warranty. Need sewer repair? We specialize in sewer repairs and replacements in Hamilton. Need new faucets or valves? We have top quality plumbing fixtures that are built to last. Need leaks repaired or pipes cleaned? Our team's equipped to handle any stubborn blockage and repair any leak. Need emergency plumbing services in Hamilton? Our team of skilled and professional plumbers are on standby, waiting to provide you with any solution to your plumbing problem. Day or night, Monday to Sunday, we are ready to provide you with exceptional plumbing service. Call us today or book online and save $20 on your booking. Returning customer, enjoy 10% off your bill thanks to our loyalty program. Want a quote? We'll provide you with a detailed and transparent and fair quote for the job at hand. If you choose us for the job, we'll waive your quote fee. Concerned about costs? John the Plumber offers competitive pricing and detailed quotes, plus easy financing options with Finance It. Enjoy soft, non-invasive credit checks and flexible payment plans, all without hidden penalties. With John the Plumber, you're choosing a trusted, local expert committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Join thousands of customers already experiencing peace of mind and exceptional customer service. Chris said, "Great company. They arrived quickly and on time. The team was polite and professional. Highly recommend." Sandy said, "They exceeded expectations. Great communication, professional and efficient. Highly recommend." Adam said, "Dispatcher was friendly, scheduled for the next day, and the plumber contacted me a few hours later as he was available for same-day service. They were courteous and gave a quick assessment and quote." Visit us online or call today to schedule your quote or consultation from our team of friendly and reliable professionals.